Hi friends, Ingrid here from Open Journey. I want to share with you my setup for the Holy Week. I kind of took elements from the kit and put them together with just 3 rings. You can actually put these very well in your prayer journal that has the six ring binder, so this would work just as well. I knew I'm gonna have many pages, so I wanted to have a standalone little journal just because it would fill up. I don't think that the rings for that journal hold that much. It was like really simple to put together. I just punched 3 holes and kind of used the guide for all. I just made a guide and I used it for all the pages so I don't have misaligned pages. And I just tied the ribbon on one of the rings and I stamped some of the things. This moment is sacred. I used the Lent kit stamp set, and then the I Am stamp. Well, it's from the Do You Love Me kit, but actually I have them back in stock now because this is you can get a lot of use out of this I Am and the Love stamp. So I stamped that I Am, put together it's I Am Love, so I really like that. And I can wrap it up like this if I want everything to, if I have loose things to not fall out. I used the envelope that all the stickers come in, just because it has the little word focus card, well, the tiny one, so then there is just, it looks pretty, so I really like that. And also I can store all the stickers in there as well. I just used elements, the journaling cards, all the little, these are so useful, the stamp size or stamp format stickers, the small Bible verse cards with the illustrations. I use this just as a kind of a tab. And of course the journaling pages, the newspaper style, I definitely use those because I really like them. And if you're wondering how to use the envelopes, well, this is how I use them. I cut this flap that folds over and I punched it with the 3 holes so I can put my journaling, you know, the letter to the editor in there. And also I use the journaling cards and a little tab I made. And this is how it's set up for each day. Of course, these are so useful, the words that come with the sticker pack. I used all those for all the days to label some of the pages. These are the big journaling cards from the extra pack. So I set it up for each day. This is for Holy Monday, Holy Tuesday. This is the envelope that journaling will go in, and probably here as well. Then we have the Holy Thursday, His body given up for you. Good Friday, Holy Saturday. I just roughly put all the pages together just so I have kind of a format to go by. And I can always add things to it, I probably will, and I can add the backing, a sturdier backing for the end of the journal. I didn't get to do that yet. Because I was wondering, if you put holes like inside when the flap is closed, you know, it's hard to open, and also takes away from the space inside the envelope. So I think this is a good solution. I'm gonna show you as I journal throughout the week. I'm gonna add to this video as we go along. So this is my setup. I just want to share this with you. I have the letter that will go in here, the journaling card. I'm gonna put it in there for each day. I'm gonna use kind of the same paper I used for the newspaper headlines. They're kind of the same color. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to use this card. I do want to use the love stamp. I was listening to a sermon for this account, and it was very beautiful. So the aroma, the smell that filled the house from the aromatic oil that Mary used to anoint Jesus's feet. It was the smell of love. So I really loved that reference to love. I'm gonna glue down some of the palm branch die cuts from the die cut pack for the Holy Week. I'm using the one of the Advent washes, because the colors go great for this. Just to fix, this is one of the palm branches from church we got on Palm Sunday, and I'm gonna fix it here. It is blessed and just a great addition to the journal. Also add a few more of the die cuts here. This is the journaling card for Holy Monday. Just gonna label it and write my journaling on there. Thank you for watching, and I'm wishing you a most blessed Holy Week.